want to get back to our last game. Okay, go ahead.
All
The
right,
chat.
so there we go. All right, yeah. When you change, when and as you're changing, it's changing me. So the question is, can notaries actually make up to 750 during apostille work?
Yes, that is true. That is true. So I'll tell you how. Because a lot of times people like, and any YouTuber that you see saying that, that's going to be a true statement. Now, is every job going to pay that? No. So how does that work? If your main one document is 175, let's just say you charge 175 for the first document, and they have 4 additional documents and you charge 100 each. Or you also have to include shipping, which may be $100. So that's how they get up to that $800 mark. And it's not every client. Our average job when it comes to apostilles, average is about 250, 300. But you can get that. And that Panamanian job we mentioned earlier, I made $800 on that job. That's rare. That's rare. But that is a factual statement because some people say, I heard this girl say you can make $800. She lying. No, she's not. And that's one that all YouTubers, when you hear them say that, it's true, y'all. You can. But it's not every single job. I just like to be crystal clear. It is not every single job that you're going to make that. Okay. So can you make 150 doing loan signings? Yes, you can. That's not every single job. My average loan signing job is about 125, 125, 175 if they need a witness because we got to charge for not everything, but that's a huge additional service that you're offering. Okay. And we're going to start wrapping up too because we are over time. So we did show you the sneak peek and the coupon code. Let me give you the coupon code, and then we're going to play our last game, okay? The coupon code, if you want to buy any of the courses separately, because that was the question earlier, can I just buy the translation? We didn't even mention translation services, y'all. That's another job. But if you want to do translation services, I-9, Build Your Business, any of these courses that you see here, the apostille course, Wedding Officiant, we're going to give that to you. You can use coupon code coupon code start now, and you can get 75% off your courses. Okay, you can pick and choose whatever you like. That's not off the membership, that's just off self-paced. So that means you buy these courses, you own these courses forever and ever and ever. Amen. Y'all married. Okay, you got the Wedding Officiant estate/trust course, ink fingerprinting, any of them you want to use, and this code is going to be good until midnight tomorrow. And the code is going to be start now. Okay, very good, very good. Start now. Okay, we got the coupon code. Jeff, can you put that in the chat or no?
Yeah.
Start now is the coupon code. notaryeducators.com, and then go under the course library. Okay, now let's go back and play our last game. Okay, so 75% off any self-paced course. Good to tomorrow night, midnight. Oh, you're so welcome. You're so welcome. Okay, let's play our last game. Now, for this one, you got to have your notary bag. You got to have your notary bag. So we'll give you just 1 second to get your notary bag because I know you wasn't expecting that. Get your notary bag. Shakira is here. Who else is here from mentorship? I'll ask you guys later who I was here from mentorship. Shakira, Nikki, you're in mentorship too, right? I'll ask you guys later.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we got 2 Nikki's actually. Okay,
Oh, I'm
but
sorry.
no, that's okay, Nikki. Thank you for answering. I just saw this other Nikki. Okay, and I'll get you guys later. Tiffany is here. Okay, thank you. Okay, cool. All right. So are we ready? We got our notary bag. Okay, y'all ready? Jeff, you want to ask these? Okay, so our next prize for number 3, again, is going to be an ebook. You can pick any one you want, even the new safety book. It's not even out yet, okay? But you can pick the safety book. So let's see. Y'all ready for the game? Okay, let's go. Wait, I gotta give
All right.
y'all a
So
minute.
who?
1 minute. Hold
Uh-oh.
on. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute on the. So everybody got their bag, or those who are participating, we're gonna do 1 minute on the clock because it shouldn't take that long. Okay. Ready, Joe? So
Yep.
these are the things you need to have. Okay, go ahead. You can do it. Start.
Yeah. So who has a journal?
You need to show all of this on the
Anybody out
screen.
there?
You
It
need to
showed on
show
the
all of
screen
this on the
there.
screen. We got 1 minute.
All right. Shalee, and who has a Jurat stamp?
No, so let's go over this again. So these are the things that you need to be pulling out your bag really quick right now, and then we need you to show us on the screen that you have it. So who has a journal, a Jurat stamp, 2 ink pens, 2 blue, 2 black, 2 clipboards, an embosser, seals, and a state handbook? Who has all of that? Journal, Jurat stamp, 2 blue pens, 2 black pens, 2 clipboards, embosser, seals, and state handbook. Who has all of that right now? They can show us on the screen. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 6, almost 8 things. Journal, Jurat, 2 blue, 2 black. That's a minimum. 2 clipboards, embosser, seals, and state handbook. Anybody got everything? Let's go back. Anybody got all of that?
I'm not seeing anything.
Our notary bags aren't packed. Chalet said
Shalee
I don't
said
have
she
all
doesn't have all that. Yeah.
that. Okay, does anybody have all of that? Nobody? Nobody.
Only
Nikki
one
said she got
clipboard, no
one
embossers.
clipboard, no
Okay.
emboss. Okay, we're gonna talk about why you need those things. Okay, we're gonna talk about it. Nikki says she has 4. Nikki C has 4. So okay, so now let's do that. Who has the most? Nikki C has 4 items. Who else? Who else has more than 4? Tiffany doesn't have any clipboards. No clipboards.
Shalee says I don't have a clipboard, but she says she has 5.
Oh, okay, she got 5. Okay, we'll start with that. Okay. Chalet has 5. Okay. Anybody got more than 5? Anybody got more than 5? Anybody got more than 5? All right, let's go. Chalet, let's see your items, hon. You got to come off of. You have to show us all 5. Let's see what you got. Can you come on the camera? We need to see all 5, like now. Hey, Chalet. Oh, you're on mute.
Okay, so I have my
See what you
state
got.
notebook. Let me see if I can flip my screen around. I can't. Okay. It won't let me show. Yeah, it won't let me show. And I
We
can't
see
flip
it.
my
Your
screen
camera's
around.
on, so you just
Oh, it is? Okay, let me flip it
yeah,
around
we
then.
see. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well,
Okay.
just put it where it's in front of your face.
Yeah.
Don't flip the camera. Just put it in front of your face.
Oh, in front of my face? Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have,
No, we're trying to see. Hold on. We're trying to see your state handbook. You said you had that, right?
oh, yeah, I got my state handbook.
What state is that?
Georgia.
Thank you. Next.
Uh, I have my embosser.
Cool. You have the seals?
No, I don't have this, well, it's in there, but I don't have the seals to actually, the gold seals is what you're talking about?
Yes.
No, I don't have the gold seals.
That's
Or do
okay.
I? I may have them somewhere. I think I do. Yeah. I got this, and then of course I
No, what
have
was that? What was this?
my stamper.
Was that one of the ones we said a stamp? I think
Jurat
it said
stamp.
Jurat stamp, didn't it? You have a
Uh,
Jurat stamp?
no, I don't have the direct stamp.
So then you are at 4. You have 4 things?
Yeah, I'm back at 4 then, and I have
Okay.
black
Your
pens, and of
clipboards.
course
You have 2
my
black
journal.
pens? Hold on. You're going too fast. Do you have 2 black and 2 blue?
2 blacks. I don't have any blue,
Okay. So, okay. What else you got?
and I have a journal.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. That's a very good start. Very good start. Now let's see what Miss Nikki has.